Are you still sending WhatsApp follow-ups manually? Then you are wasting a lot of your time. And in this video, I am here to get you rid out of this problem. So hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to auto-send WhatsApp messages to LinkedIn leads, step-by-step automation. So the objective is very simple. Whenever a new lead comes through your LinkedIn lead ads, then on the time when the user will enter their details while filling the form and submit it, they get an instant follow-ups on their WhatsApp account, and that will be personalized for each user. So yes, it is only made possible with the help of this integration that I have created by using Pabbly Connect. Here I have integrated my LinkedIn with Pabbly chart flow. So without wasting any time, let's start building this workflow. At first, open a new tab and go for Pabbly pabbly.com/connect. See, Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that's help you to automate and integrate multiple applications without writing a single line of code. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free tasks every month to explore the software. But if you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. After that, you will see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly Connect by clicking on this Access Now button. And it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you can create and manage all of your automation workflows in one place. As we are creating a new workflow, so I will click on this plus create workflow button. Next, I am clicking on this create from scratch option. After that, it asks me to enter the workflow name that I am entering as auto send WhatsApp messages to LinkedIn leads step-by-step automation guide. I have given this name by my choice, but you can give it completely based on the automation you are creating. Next, the folder I am selecting is Pabbly Connect. You can also create a folder inside your Pabbly Connect account from here. After selecting the folder, I am clicking on this create button and see our workflow is created successfully. Now this right here is the most important step of doing any automation. Name as trigger. Trigger says when this happened. This is the first application you have to select for creating your workflow. So in this tutorial, my objective is that whenever I received a new form submission through my LinkedIn leads ads, then automatically this automation gets triggered. So for that, I am selecting my trigger application as LinkedIn. Next, I am selecting the app event as lead notification. After that, I will click on this connect button. See, it will provide me two options, name as add new connection and select existing connection. If you have an existing connection, then you will go with this option. Here I am going to make a new connection, so I will click on this add new connection. Next, I will click on this connect with LinkedIn. After that, you have to do the sign in process. And this is how easily you can connect your LinkedIn account with Pabbly Connect. Next, I am selecting the sponsored account as Pabbly's Ads accounts. See, this is the same account I am using right now. After that, I will click on the save and send test request button, and you will see it started waiting for a webhook response. Now, for getting this webhook response, I am going to take you to my LinkedIn campaign manager. See, this is my LinkedIn campaign manager, and this is the ad that I am already running before. So I am directly going in it and applying on it. See, this is the lead form, and in this first field I have entered one test email address and one test contact number too. And I want you to know that I am running this ad in a default mode. That's why the first name, last name and company name is coming like this, but you have to enter these details manually. After that, I will click on the submit button, and you will see the form has been submitted successfully. Now we will check our workflow to see whether we have received a new response or not. Here you have to wait for a few seconds. See, I have received the response that includes the details that I have entered while filling the form. This means that the connection between our LinkedIn account and Pabbly Connect is working perfectly, and the setup of our trigger application is completed. Moving forward, I am going to select my action application as Pabbly chart flow. Here I am using Pabbly chart flow for sending a message to my user's WhatsApp account. After selecting the application, the app event I am selecting as send template message. Next, I will click on this connect button. Again, it will provide me two options. So if you have an existing connection, then you will go with this. Here I am making a new connection, so I am clicking on this add new connection. Next, it will ask me to enter the token. So for getting this token, I am going to take you to my Pabbly chart flow account. See, this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chartflow. Now, what is Pabbly Chartflow? So, Pabbly Chartflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that helps you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. Now, for getting this token, you have to click on the settings option and go in this API and webhooks option. And here you get your API token. So, copy it and paste it in this field. After pasting the token, you have to click on the save button. And this is how easily your Pabbly Chartflow account is going to be connect with your Pabbly Connect account. Next, in this recipient WhatsApp number field, I am going to do the mapping of the response from the previous application. Now, what is mapping? So, mapping is the most important step in automation as it makes data dynamic, as different users have different data. So, for capturing each user's data dynamically, mapping is used. So, to do the mapping, you just have to enter the slash on the field and the previous application is visible in front of you. Once you click on it, you will see all the received responses. So, this mobile number field, I am going to do the mapping of this mobile number. See, it is mapped. With the help of this mapping, automatically every time on the new form submission, this number will change. Moving forward, I am selecting that template as LinkedIn lead follow-up. I have already created this template before in my Pabbly Chartflow account, but I'll show you this too. See, this is the template of LinkedIn lead follow-up. Here I have designed this template by my choice, but you can customize it completely based on your own business. And you will see I have also used one variable here by the name of name. In the starting and the ending of this variable, I added two curly braces. Automatically in this place, the user name will come. In few minutes, you will understand this more clearly. See, as soon as I have set the template here, when you scroll down, automatically the variable field is going to be appear here. See, this is the same variable that I have entered here. And now in this field, I am going to do the mapping of the user's full name from the previous application. As I told you earlier, the form I have filled is running in a default mode. That's why the first and last name is coming as Pabbly and full stop. So I am mapping this, but you can map the real data that you were received from your previous application. Here I have mapped the first name as Pabbly, last name as full stop. Next, these are not required fields, so I'm leaving these blank. But before clicking on the save and send test request button, I want you to know that the contact number I have mapped in this field is a dummy number, and sending a WhatsApp message to a dummy contact number is not possible. So for that, I am removing it from here and I am going to enter my number manually in this field. But you have to make sure that in this field you have to map the real contact number that you were received from the previous application. It is very important step. With the help of this, only the user will receive the message on their WhatsApp account. And also make sure that the number will include the country code without plus sign. After entering my number manually, I am clicking on the save and send test request button. And you will see I have received the positive response, that is status as success and messages sent. Now I am going to show you my WhatsApp account. See, automatically I received a new message that includes the name as Pabbly and full stop because I have mapped the same in this field, and it includes all the content that are entered in this template too. I have designed this template by my choice. We have created a separate detailed video of how you can design a template inside Pabbly Chartflow. Check the description below for the video link. As we have successfully received the message, this means that our action step is also working perfectly and our workflow is completed. But before we move to the end, I want you to know that I have clicked on the save and send test request button just only for the testing purpose. You don't have to click on this button manually. You just have to click on the save button and the automation will occur automatically. Now our workflow is completed. If you like this tool and you want to create same automation, then go and purchase it by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Trust me, this is the best tool that I have ever used. It is exclusively for my viewers. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while doing the setup of this amazing automation, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this workflow in the description below. You can check it out. So now I am going to end this tutorial. This is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.